Hello, today we will guide you through how to detach windows in Thinkorswim. If you've ever wanted to pull a panel out of the platform and move it to another monitor or give it more space, detaching a window does exactly that. It lets a tool, like a watch list or a gadget, live in its own floating window while staying connected to the platform. Start by opening Thinkorswim and letting it load. Choose the window you want to detach. For this walkthrough, we'll use a gadget as the example since it's a common panel to float. Gadgets sit along the side panel and often include watch lists or other utilities. Click to make sure the one you want is active so you're working on the right panel. Look for the menu icon on that gadget. It appears as three short horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, near the top corner of the gadget's header. If you don't see it right away, hover over the header and it should appear. Click those three lines to open the options menu, then select Detach. The platform creates a separate floating window for that exact gadget. It shows the same content and continues to update in real time, just as it did inside the main workspace. This simple move frees up space in the main platform and keeps your workspace organized. With the window detached, click and drag it by its title bar to place it wherever you want. Move it anywhere on your screen, position it on another monitor, and resize it by dragging the edges or corners to fit your layout. Arrange it so the information you need is front and center without covering other important tools. When you like the result, repeat the same process for any other sample windows you want to float. Pick the window, open its three-line menu, choose Detach, then drag and size it to your preference. Using detached windows is a simple way to build a clean, customized layout that matches how you work, whether you're tracking multiple lists or keeping a specific tool visible at all times. That's it. Quick, clear, and flexible. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined workspace.